Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for the subscription for those who have subscribed, and thank you for those who will be subscribing very soon. Thank you for reaching us 80 subscribers. We are on the road to 100 subscribers currently. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, so remember, if you've not subscribed and watching this video, kindly subscribe. We really need your support so that we can be able to reach 100 subscribers and even more. To the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support. Your support is really appreciated. And so don't forget to like this video. Don't like to share, comment as we move on. So today we have a game. We are going to play a game. It is called Who's Most Likely To. And this one is our tool. So the one who's going to have more yeses, I think he'll be white skinned at the end of the video. So let's get to the video.
Did you just say he, meaning me? Like really? You will
Okay,
be white
he or
at the
she.
end.
So let's get to the video as we have fun.
Tararang.
So the first question, who's most likely to take longer while getting ready?
Ha. Explain. You.
Me.
Yes, you.
Why?
Babe, when I wake up, you to the church. I can wake up at 5. Guys, I can wake up at 5. I do everything. I cook tea. I chemshia her maji ya kuoga. And then on waking her up by 5:30, still, even if I wake her by 6, she'll not be ready by that time. I normally wake her by 5:30. And by 6:30, I want to go to church. And then she's like, babe, see,
But that's
but that's so she normally takes a lot of time. Do you agree with that?
Okay. Usinipake mingi.
Mambo.
So the other question, who said I love you the first?
Me.
Me.
Me. Babe, me. Why do you want to pack me that?
You said that you love it. It doesn't matter as long as you are the one who said I love you the first.
Babe. Like really? Hapo umenicheza.
Who said I love you first?
Also you said you.
No.
What did you?
I said you. I pointed at you.
Okay. Shida kuwa mwanaume. Next question. Who spends the most time on the internet or social media? I will say her.
You.
I can support my answer.
Support.
Facebook, unashindanga tu all through. Nashindanga ume interchange. TikTok, kwanza TikTok. Boy, my goodness, TikTok.
But
TikTok.
sisi wote. But pia unakonga Twitter. Mostly kama mambo ya ball you are always on Twitter.
Mambo ya ball aje?
Sini
push tu siku moja.
No, not siku moja. You always on Twitter. Ukiamka tu jaangalia kama mguu zako zina function, uko ready Twitter kuangalia updates.
You the lie. You the lie. Babe, you can lie. Babe, you can lie. You can lie. Yeah. You can lie, babe.
Pause. Next question. Who is a better cook?
Okay, I'll just give in because she will have more years. She cooks better. Her food is so delicious, by the way. Your food is so delicious.
Natasha.
Oh, the next question now.
Who is the messiest? Messiest, yani dirtiest.
I accept.
Dirtiest, I'll pinch you for that.
I accept.
You and your daughter, you won't show me Pepe in this house.
But why Paka? Me explain to people now.
When you remove your clothes, nguo yote umetupa hapo. Ukikula vyombo unarushanga, mbona upeleka kwa?
But nguo bado ni safi. Nimetumia tu like 2 hours chumani.
Nguo safi zinafaa zikae wapi?
Sinaweka hapo, najua nitavaa.
Zinafaa zikae wapi? Nguo safi.
Nguo safi.
Yeah.
Sinajua nitavaa tu.
Nguo zinafaa zikae wapi? Nguo safi zinafaa zikae huko kwa nguo safi. Nguo chafu kwa bin.
But
Kiti naekelewa nguo safi, nguo chafu.
Hapo iko kwa bin. So you just have to know
No.
Chafu. Hey.
Next time you'll get it kwa dustbin.
Sure. Alafu unaoshanga hata nguo safi yenye nimevaa 2 minutes. Sure. Audience, watu wangu, is this how you go through the relationship boy?
No.
2 minutes umevaa t-shirt ukirudi unaanza.
Team brilliant, tell me. How will you feel? Ngozi badala zipeleke kwa bin ama kwa nguo safi ziko kwa kiti ama chini.
But at least nimeweka place na kalia. Obviously nikitaka kwenda.
You're making the house messy. No.
Whatever, man, I can make it Ronaldo even. Next question. Who is the most forgetful? Mimi nasahau nini?
You.
No, nasahau nini?
You forget.
Like?
Our anniversaries.
Kuna anniversary yetu iko lini?
No, mbona tukakunipaka na mimi usisahau, nilisahau nini? Niambie kitu nilisahau. Ulisahau. No. Let's pass that one because no one is forgetful.
Next question.
Who is the most affectionate? No, we are both. No, both.
So nipe poda basi pia mimi niweke.
But you've pakad.
Hata hiyo kupaka. You're both affectionate. Tunapendana by the way.
Okay, next question. The daughter.
Who knows the loudest? Here I don't know because I'm always asleep.
You know the loudest. Together with the daughter, I don't get peace at night.
Apana, I don't know the loudest.
No, you people should give me an idea how to stop this snoring thing in my house.
But I'm not fat. Look at me.
It's not a must to be fat so that you can snore. In fact, watu wa content wana snore sana. Alafu
mnaona tu vile naonea.
Meanwhile, comment down below dawa yako snore. I need a remedy in this house. Together with the pikin. Hi, they're giving me trouble in this house.
In our family, only one person snores the loudest, but not me.
In your family, there is the loudest, but it flows in the blood. So meaning inatoka hata umejisema kwa familia yenu. Yes, next question.
Next question. Who spends the most money?
You.
How?
You.
How?
Unaweza amua ukitoka hapa. You have not even budgeted for anything. You'll be coming back with things that even were not in your budget.
But pia wetu.
So I have to follow up.
Wait, to pia ukinifuata, you normally go into extra budget that you've not budgeted.
Okay, wait.
So
who spends the most money? So we are equal.
Yes.
Okay, we are not doing that now.
Who is the most organized? Organized.
Obviously, because you're the messiest.
Organized.
But I think next time, there should be a reward.
Next time what?
If it's positive, there is a reward. If it is messiest, like my husband here.
Next. Who is the most funniest? Who's the most funniest, babe?
Am I funny?
You don't look like one.
That me, I'm not funny.
You are not funny.
Umanisha hizo jokes mi hukuambia huwa unacheka tu kunifurahisha.
Jokes gani?
Because I'm your wife. You're just laughing. And I always entertain you in this house. So unachekanga tu ndio nisikasirike. So I'm not funny.
That's not being funny.
That's being
romantic.
No. Enough.
Who's the most creative?
You.
Are you sure?
Ni swali pia hiyo.
Lakini ni kama tu umetaka kunipaka poda hapo kwa revenge. Next question. Who is the best at directions? Why? I'm just the best because huyu akiwa kwa nyumba. Why? Huyu akiwa kwa nyumba direction umpotea kabisa.
No, but I can explain. You know, when you're in the house, you don't know where you east, where is west. But at least when you're outside there, you can give directions. So, but anyway, let me just ask.
You can lie. I'm the best direction maker, so it's a yes.
Okay.
But sumekubali. Mimi najua direction. Kini uko kwa nyumba. Disaster. Who changes the light bulb? Obviously, it's me. Because I'm tall. Mwingine anaogopa.
Are you sure?
We hata ukiguza tu ile mshtuko ya laptop ikicharge. Oish. Nduru. Oi!
Who does not fear death?
That's not death.
Oh.
Just a small scratch. Ningesema tu no. Jue ni mrefu, hebu ona. How do I look, guys? Mayo. Thank you guys for watching. Lakini leo nimeonewa.
No.
You are seeing for me.
Look at me.
Umeniona. Ewa angalia mimi na wewe nani hapa na mob. Ona mwingine naye alikuwa anacheza couple game peke yake. Like really Adasa.
So hi, thank you guys for watching. We've come to the end of our game. Please subscribe. Don't forget to comment, share, and like. Please. If you view this video, please don't forget to like. And if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Let's reach 100 subscribers.
And leave that comment hapo chini. Achilia comment. Yes, I'll say tell them hapo chini mama. Hapo chini achilia comment yako to see our progress. From your comments we know where we are, guys. So let us know what you think about our skit.
And please tell us what games should we play, what games would you like us to play, what challenges do you want us to do. Thank you very much. Bye.
And do you have any question, kindly on the comment section, just ask the question. We'll be back to answer your question. Kindly subscribe, like, share,
please subscribe,
and comment. Especially subscribe and share. Thank you guys for reaching us 80 subscribers. We are moving on well. Thank you. Bye. We love you.